In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time Google Calendar. Open your web browser and head to google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that owns the event you want to update. At the top right, click the Google Apps icon, the little grid of dots, and choose Calendar. This takes you into Google Calendar, where all your events are listed by day, week, or month. At the top of the calendar page, use the search bar to quickly find the event you want to change. Type the event name as you remember it and press enter. You'll see matching results below the search bar. Click the exact event you're looking for to open its details. When the event card opens, select the pencil icon to edit. This moves you into the full editing view, where you can safely adjust details without creating a new event. If you manage multiple calendars, glance at which calendar the event belongs to so you're editing the correct one. Now focus on the time fields. Click the start time and choose the new time from the list, or type it in if you prefer. If the change spans a different day, you can also adjust the date right there. Keep in mind that Google Calendar typically offers 15-minute increments, but you can type a custom time if you need something specific. Next, check the end time. When you change the start, Calendar often shifts the end time to maintain the same duration. If that's not what you want, click the end time and select or type the new finish time. Make sure the final duration matches your plan, whether it's a quick check-in or a longer meeting. Once your times look right, click Save. If the event includes guests, you may be asked whether to send an update. Choose the option that fits your situation. Sending updates is helpful so attendees see the new time immediately. After saving, you'll be taken back to your calendar view, and you should see the event move to the new time slot. A quick tip: if you're traveling or working across regions, glance at the time zone shown in the event header to make sure it reflects your current setup. That prevents accidental scheduling at the wrong hour. Also, if you don't see the event at first, double check your search spelling or try filtering by date range. That's it. You open Google Calendar, searched for your event, edited it with the pencil icon, adjusted the start and end times, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more accurate schedule.